Here we have Lucy wearing a Kimblewick or a Spanish Snaffle, which is one of your mildest forms of curb bits. It has a chain, which once again, ideally you should get a chain guard on that. This bit is too big for Lucy. Even though it's an egg butt, we can see once again that if you were to purchase this bit for this horse, you've paid for well over 2 centimetres of steel that you're never going to use. So you've got a lot of sloppiness in this bit. It's way too wide. However, the bridle does fit. Now the noseband, this is often used in show jumping and cross country and dressage training sometimes. This noseband is too high. It's sitting too high up on her nasal bone, so we need to drop that down. So the bridle could fit, the bit never will. That's where measuring your bit and making sure that your purchase is well placed is so important for your horse's welfare and happiness. So that noseband sitting in a correct position, we can get 2 finger spaces between this facial bone here and the back of the noseband. Ideally, you want to be able to fit a couple of fingers in there. This noseband's too loose, we could go an extra hole tighter. Too tight is not desirable because that'll make your horse tighten up these masseter muscles and possibly cause performance problems with them tightening their own neck and resisting any of the subtleties of training. So, new bridles. There we go. So that's okay, that's not too tight. The flash, which goes forward of the bit and should sit snugly behind the lip. And we change where this flash sits. So the girl, you are very patient. Much as possible, you want your buckle of your flash to be at the base of the jaw. And the idea is that it stops the horse from crocodiling their mouth or opening their jaw and resisting any contact that you make. So we just play around with this a bit. Okay, so this isn't too bad. Once again, it's better too loose than too tight. But this bit is way too big and we'd also need a chain guard. I'm Mark Burnell and I'm a professional horse dentist. By all means, please get your horse's teeth checked regularly. Depending on what you feed your horse, dictates how often their teeth need to be. The main thing to look for is to ask if your dentist is accredited and insured. And remember, there are other professionals that you can get second opinions from. If anyone is to sedate your horse, they should be a registered veterinarian. Good luck with your horses and hope you enjoy them.